Good morning, guys. Dropped anchor almost an hour ago, I guess, in Spaghetti Bay. And I just wanted to give you another look at the coastline here, one of the Canary Islands, Tenerife. Another beautiful day. There's a ferry heading out there. Seeing lots of activity. So here we are, January 12th, and it's tough to find a spot. Hey guys, have they been giving reasons for having no vacancies? Is it locals? Is it doing? No idea. Okay, so January 12th, and there's no spots in quite a few of these marinas so far. So that's something interesting to know. Dave made an interesting point where he talked about the fact that the marinas are very small to begin with, some of them, so that could be it too, I suppose. But anyhow, really beautiful place. So we're about 40 minutes or so away from where we're going. Sails up. We're running the engines to make some hot water. Someone on board needs to shower, I guess. I was smart. I did mine yesterday when there was still lots of hot water.
Yeah, let's go up onto the starboard side.